Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled with getting your teeth truly clean, or felt frustrated by toothbrushes that just don't hit all the spots, you're gonna wanna stick around. And of course, before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an honest review that can actually make your beauty and self-care routines easier. Today, we're looking at the Bymore Electric Toothbrush for adults in sleek black. It's a sonic rechargeable toothbrush that promises deep cleaning with 8 brush heads, a massive 330-day battery, 5 cleaning modes, and a travel-friendly design. On paper, it looks like a full oral care kit packed into one handle. When it comes to features, this toothbrush uses advanced sonic vibration technology, which is designed to remove surface stains more efficiently than a regular manual toothbrush. You've got 5 modes: whitening, clean, sensitive, polish, and massage, all paired with a 2-minute timer and 30-second pacing intervals, helping you follow the dentist's recommended brushing routine without guesswork. It comes with 8 DuPont brush heads, 4 U-shaped and 4 W-shaped, covering different gum and tooth needs. The bristles even fade over time to remind you when it's time to swap them out. And if you're someone who hates charging gadgets constantly, the 330-day battery life on a single charge is a game changer. Add in the waterproof, travel-ready design with USB-C charging, and it's marketed as a complete oral care solution. I've been using this toothbrush daily for a few weeks now, and I have to say it's surprisingly smooth to integrate into your routine. The vibration is strong without being harsh, and the different modes really make a difference. Sensitive mode is gentle enough for sore gums, while whitening mode feels like a mini spa treatment for your teeth. The 2-minute timer is perfect for keeping me on track, and that 30-second pacing is actually super helpful. It makes sure no quadrant of your mouth is neglected. Switching between brush heads is easy, and the fading bristles are a simple yet effective reminder for optimal hygiene. I've noticed a cleaner, fresher feeling in my mouth compared to my old manual toothbrush. One minor thing, I wish the handle had a slightly more textured grip, as it can feel a bit slippery when wet. Pros? While it delivers on thorough cleaning with those multiple modes, the battery life is practically unmatched, and it's extremely convenient for travel. The brush head variety means it caters to different oral care needs, and the sonic technology really does make a noticeable difference in plaque removal and overall mouth freshness. On the flip side, it's a bit on the bulkier side compared to some ultra-slim electric toothbrushes, and the handle could use a more ergonomic grip. Also, while 8 brush heads are great, they might take up a little more storage space than you'd expect if you're traveling. Value for money? Considering the 18 months of brush heads included, 330-day battery, and multiple cleaning modes, this toothbrush offers solid value. It's not the cheapest on the market, but the convenience, technology, and longevity make the price justified, especially if you're committed to a high-quality oral care routine. If we compare it to other high-end sonic toothbrushes, the battery life is far superior. Most competitors max out around 3 weeks on a single charge. The number of brush heads included also puts it ahead in terms of long-term usability. While other brands might offer similar cleaning performance, Bymore's combination of modes, battery life, and included heads makes it a standout for busy individuals and travelers. The build feels sturdy, the waterproofing works perfectly for daily bathroom use, and the overall longevity looks promising, both for the handle and the brush heads, which are designed to last up to a year per set with regular replacement reminders. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. In terms of customer support, I haven't personally had to contact them, but Bymore has a generally positive reputation for responsiveness and support, so you should feel covered if any issues arise. For alternatives, if you're looking for something slightly more budget-friendly but still effective, brands like Oral-B offer solid sonic options, though they typically won't match the 330-day battery life or the number of brush heads included here. So, my final thoughts: the Bymore Electric Toothbrush hits nearly all the marks for a high-quality, versatile, and convenient oral care device. It's ideal for anyone who wants a thorough clean, multiple modes for personalized care, and a battery that's essentially hassle-free. Its minor downsides, bulkier handle and slight grip issue, are far outweighed by the cleaning performance and long-term usability. If you want a comprehensive, travel-friendly electric toothbrush that's built to last, this one definitely deserves consideration. Thank you so much for stopping by Beautyistic. The link to purchase the Bymore Electric Toothbrush is in the comments or description box below. If you've tried it, drop a comment and let me know how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.